Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record video in Zoom meeting on laptop with audio. So to do that, let's head over to the Zoom and beforehand, let me tell you the process is same for PC and Android. So I'm going to show you in my Android. So I'm heading over to Zoom and joining a meeting or starting a meeting. Let's start a meeting. Start it. So as you can see, my Zoom is currently connecting. So, oh yeah, this is how you can just record video in Zoom meeting. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.